Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of creativity and innovation. Ever wished your furniture could do more than just sit there looking pretty? Imagine if your coffee table or bookshelf could double as a secret storage unit. We're talking secret compartments, folks, those ingenious hiding spots that add a whole other level of cool to your home. These aren't just for spy movies, they're practical and fun additions to any room. It's like having a secret lair right in your living room. Imagine the thrill of revealing a hidden drawer or a concealed shelf to your guests. Hidden compartments aren't just about channeling your inner James Bond. They offer a unique blend of security and style, making your home not only safer but also more intriguing. Sure, they're great for stashing valuables, but they can also be super practical. Think about all those little items that clutter up your space. Now you can tuck them away neatly. Need a place to keep remote controls out of sight? Hidden compartments are perfect for keeping your living room tidy and organized. Want to hide away clutter in plain sight? These compartments can be seamlessly integrated into your furniture, making them both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Hidden compartments to the rescue. They provide clever storage solutions that keep your home looking sleek and stylish. And the best part? Building your own hidden compartment furniture is easier than you think. With a few tools and some creativity, you can create your own secret storage spaces. With a little creativity and some basic woodworking skills, you can transform ordinary pieces into extraordinary storage solutions. Imagine the satisfaction of crafting something both beautiful and functional. Get ready to impress your friends and outsmart any would-be treasure hunters. Your home will be the talk of the town with these clever and stylish hidden compartments. Before we dive into building, let's gather our secret agent toolkit. Don't worry, you won't need anything too fancy. Here are the essentials. Safety glasses and gloves are a must-have for any DIY project. A tape measure, ruler, and combination square will keep things precise. A circular saw or jigsaw is needed for making those clean cuts. A power drill with various bits is your go-to for creating holes and installing hardware. Wood glue, wood screws, and a screwdriver are essential for assembling your secret compartments. Sandpaper, various grits, will help you achieve a professional-looking finish. Remember, safety always comes first. Double-check your tools, wear appropriate safety gear, and always follow manufacturer instructions. Ready to build your first hidden compartment? Let's start with a classic, the coffee table. It's the perfect place to stash remote controls, magazines, or even that secret stash of cookies. Cut a piece of plywood slightly smaller than the underside of your tabletop. This will be your hidden compartment door. Attach hinges to one side of the plywood panel. Use your jigsaw to cut a rectangular opening in the underside of your coffee table, slightly smaller than your plywood panel. Attach the other side of the hinges to the inside of the coffee table, securing the secret panel. Want to keep your hidden compartment extra discreet? Use a magnetic latch or a hidden push-button mechanism to open it. Bookshelves are a treasure trove of hidden compartment possibilities. Let's transform a regular bookshelf into a secure and stylish safe. Select a shelf near the top or bottom of your bookshelf. Remove it carefully. Use plywood to build a box that fits snugly inside the bookshelf cavity where the shelf was removed. This will be your safe. Slide the plywood safe into the bookshelf cavity. Secure it to the sides of the bookshelf using screws. Disguise the safe by adding a false back made of thin plywood. Paint or wallpaper it to match the back of your bookshelf. Now that's what I call blending in. Under the mattress upgrade, secret storage in your bed frame. Imagine transforming your ordinary bed into a multifunctional piece of furniture that not only supports your mattress but also provides you with hidden storage solutions. It's like having a secret compartment right under your nose. Who needs a boring old bed frame when you can have one with secret storage? Traditional bed frames are just that, traditional. They serve a single purpose. But with a little creativity and some DIY skills, you can turn your bed frame into a storage powerhouse. Let's add some hidden compartments to your bed frame for extra storage space. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone looking to maximize space, this project is perfect for you. Imagine all the clutter you can hide away, making your room look cleaner and more organized. Step 1. Planning your compartments. Start by sketching out your ideas. Think about what you need to store and where it would be most convenient to access it. This is your chance to get creative and design something that fits your specific needs. Decide where you want your hidden compartments to be located. Measure twice, cut once. Precision is key here. You can place compartments under the mattress, on the sides, or even in the headboard. Each location offers different benefits. Under the mattress, on the sides, or even in the headboard are all great options. Each of these locations can be customized to fit your storage needs. For example, under mattress storage is perfect for items you don't need to access frequently, while side storage can be more accessible. Step 2. Building the drawers. Now that you have your plan, it's time to start building. Drawers are a great way to create hidden storage. They can be shallow or deep, depending on what you plan to store. Construct shallow drawers using plywood that fit within your chosen locations. Make sure they are sturdy and well constructed. The last thing you want is for your secret storage to fall apart. These will be your secret storage compartments. Once assembled, you can paint or stain them to match your bed frame, making them blend in seamlessly. Step 3. Adding drawer slides. Drawer slides are essential for smooth operation. They allow you to easily access your hidden compartments without any hassle. Install drawer slides to the drawers and the corresponding locations on your bed frame. Make sure they are aligned properly to ensure smooth operation. Pro tip: use quiet drawer slides for smooth and silent operation. This is especially important if you plan to access your storage frequently. You don't want any squeaky noises giving away your secret. You don't want your secret storage making any noise. Test the drawers multiple times to ensure they operate quietly and smoothly. Once you're satisfied, you can start using your new secret storage compartments. Section 6. Magnetic Magic. Adding a touch of espionage. Want to add a touch of spy movie cool to your hidden compartments? Magnetic locks are the way to go. They're discreet, secure, and surprisingly easy to install. Step 1. Positioning is key. Determine the best location for your magnetic lock on both the compartment door and the frame. Step 2. Securing the lock. Attach the magnetic lock plates using the provided screws. Make sure they align perfectly for a strong hold. Pro tip: test the magnetic hold strength before you load up your hidden compartment. You don't want any unexpected surprises. Section 7. Motorized masterpieces. Taking hidden compartments high-tech. In this section, we're diving into the world of motorized hidden compartments, where technology meets creativity. Imagine the thrill of revealing a secret space with just a touch of a button. It's not just about hiding things, it's about doing it with style and sophistication. Ready to take your hidden compartments to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a curious beginner, this project will add a touch of magic to your home. Let's get started on this exciting journey. Let's add some motorized magic. The first step is to understand the basics of motorized mechanisms. These small but powerful devices can transform ordinary furniture into extraordinary pieces. Imagine a secret compartment that opens with the touch of a button. It's like something out of a spy movie, but you can create it right in your own home. The possibilities are endless, from hiding valuables to creating a fun surprise for guests. Now that's what I call impressive. The wow factor is undeniable, and it's sure to be a conversation starter. But how do we get there? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Choosing the right motor. This is crucial because the motor is the heart of your mechanism. You'll want to select a motor that is both powerful and quiet, ensuring smooth and discreet operation. Select a small, quiet motor that's appropriate for the size and weight of your compartment door. Consider factors like torque and speed to match your specific needs. A well-chosen motor will make all the difference in the performance of your hidden compartment. Linear actuators work great for this. They provide precise control and can handle heavier loads, making them ideal for larger compartments. Plus, they're relatively easy to install and operate. Step 2. Wiring it up. This step involves connecting your motor to a power source and a control switch. Proper wiring is essential for safety and functionality, so take your time and follow the instructions carefully. Follow the motor manufacturer's instructions to wire the motor to a power source and a control switch. Make sure all connections are secure and double-check your work to avoid any issues down the line. Step 3. Mounting and testing. This is where your project starts to come together. Securely mount the motor to your furniture piece, ensuring it's aligned correctly with the compartment door. Mount the motor securely to your furniture piece and connect it to the compartment door. Make sure everything is tight and stable to prevent any movement or misalignment during operation. Test the motor thoroughly to ensure smooth operation. Run the mechanism several times to check for any issues and make adjustments as needed. This step is crucial for ensuring long-term reliability. Pro tip: install a safety sensor to prevent the motor from closing on any obstructions. This adds an extra layer of safety, especially if you have kids or pets around. Safety first, even with high-tech gadgets. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a motorized hidden compartment that's both functional and impressive. Happy building! Section 8. Finishing touches. Blending in for the perfect disguise. Now that you've built your awesome hidden compartments, it's time to make them disappear. The key is to blend them seamlessly into your furniture so they're undetectable. Step 1. Seamless surfaces. Use wood filler to fill any gaps or screw holes. Sand everything smooth for a professional finish. Step 2. Matching the finish. Paint or stain your hidden compartment doors to match the surrounding furniture. Pay attention to detail. Pro tip. Consider adding decorative elements like molding, trim, or hardware to further camouflage your hidden compartments. The more detail, the better the disguise. Section 9. Beyond the basics. Unleash your inner secret agent. Congratulations, secret agent. You've mastered the art of hidden compartment furniture. But don't stop there. The possibilities are endless. False bottom drawers. Create a secret compartment beneath a regular drawer by making the drawer bottom shallower than the drawer sides. Hidden hinges. Use concealed hinges for an extra level of stealth. Secret knocks. Install a hidden release mechanism that opens with a specific sequence of knocks. Now that's top secret cool. Share your amazing creations with me on social media. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Remember, when it comes to hidden compartments, the only limit is your imagination.